Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how we can add echo effect to our audio in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and I have imported an audio as well, and we're going to put echo effect to this audio. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the audio like this and click on the audio again until this option appeared on our screen. Then we can click on voice effect. And before we add the echo effect, let's hear the original audio first. So this is the original audio. Then I'm going to add echo effect. Alright guys. Now the echo effect has been added to our audio. Then we can customize the strength and also the quantity. You can go right or go left. Then after that we can click on this check mark. Okay guys, that's how we can add echo effect to our audio in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.